If you've ever used a hydraulic press, you know how versatile these are. A hydraulic press is so easy to use. You literally just pump up the plates and you can even use one finger to do it. The hydraulic press on the right is a 20-ton hydraulic press and the one on the left is an 8-ton hydraulic press. When you pump up the hydraulic press, essentially you are moving those two plates closer together. And when you put something in the middle of that thing squishes. This piece of annealed copper sheet has been put in a press die and essentially it's kind of formed that dome. But you can really easily cut out shapes using the hydraulic press. So this little flower shape, you literally put the disc cutter into the hydraulic press, pump it up, and you can force the cutter through the metal. And it is so easy. I hadn't even realized that this had cut. To release the pressure on your hydraulic press, you literally just turn that blue dial and the plates will come back apart. You can see how cleanly this has come out. It is so good. And you can also form finished jewellery. So for example, this is a press die and it's going to make this bangle kind of a wave shape. So this is a finished piece of jewellery and it's not annealed at all. And using the hydraulic press, it has added these beautiful even waves to this bangle. Creativity wise, this is a 10 out of 10. You can make your own presses to shape your metal, you can buy disc cutters, or you can also use the press dies to shape bangles and rings. A couple of things to remember is that you might need a metal plate just to raise whatever you're using to cut or shape, and also just always release that pressure on your hydraulic press.